Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you the Apple CarPlay wireless installed on an Audi S5 2011. So we've installed the wireless CarPlay. You can see there's no connections to the phone at all. We have everything on the screen in here. We can go to the main page, go to the home page. You can press the Siri. We can go here back to the main page. Now, if we want to have any of our features, you can just go through here. We're using everything with the MMI button. We can also hold the button. Siri, send a text message.
Who do you want to send it to?
Cancel.
Okay, let me know if there's anything else you need.
So we have everything working from the vehicle speakers. We have the Siri. We have everything the same as all the CarPlays. You can play music from here. You get your maps, everything on here. For Apple CarPlay devices and other electronics, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.